Okay, here's the E4K Plus camera, and let's see how to force the camera to create one large video file instead of many small ones. Let's make the screen darker so that we can see something. Okay, so come here to the lower right corner, press that wheel. Okay, and here on the first icon, the top one, go down to the bottom, and here we have file size, and it's currently set to 4 gigabytes. So enter file size. The first one is selected. There's the green thing in the corner, so select maximum. Okay, now it says in max mode the video continuously records until it reaches up to 30 gigabytes in size. Okay, now let's talk about another thing. Back to file size. So this will create one large file, but at the end of that file it will not create another one. So if you want to shoot continuously for a longer period of time, then better select this one. This breaks up the video into 4 gigabyte parts, but it will automatically create new parts, so it will record continuously. This one creates one big file, but it stops. That creates many smaller files, but it is not stopping. It's automatically creating new and new video files. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.